After watching, review the full steps in the video description. How to hitch your fifth wheel RV. First, ensure the lube plate is installed on the kingpin. After lowering your truck's tailgate, extract the jaws safety pin and pull the handle to open the jaws. Slowly reverse your truck and align the hitch to the kingpin, stopping when the kingpin is approximately 4 inches from the hitch. Apply your truck's e-brake and put it in park. Adjust the kingpin height by retracting or extending your RV's front landing gear. The lube plate should be about a ½ inch below the top of the hitch plate. Reverse your truck into the kingpin until the hitch engages. Visually check the hitch jaws are fully closed, and then insert the safety pin to lock the jaws. Ensure the distance between the pickup bed rails and fifth wheel are at least 5½ inches, and then attach the RV electrical harness to the truck, and attach the RV breakaway cable to the hitch. Close your truck's tailgate. Now it's time for the tug test. See the video description for details. Next, retract your RV's front landing gear to load the fifth wheel pin weight into your truck bed. Once your landing gear lifts from the earth, you know your truck is fully taken on the weight of your rig. So finally, secure and lock the front landing gear feet. Congratulations on hitching your rig. Now complete the full departure checklist before towing away. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to No End Adventure.